Hello guys, sorry for the two lazy uploads that I've been doing recently. Yesterday I made a skills one, today I'm going to be making a team one. So yeah, let's just get started. So team one, oh gosh, what am I doing? The field looks pretty different from the skills one because as you can see, they're all in random places and they're like all messed up and stuff. So you have to make a really coordinated plan with your team. So what you can start off with is decide which rows has which color. So what I like to do is put blue here, the blues on this side, the purples here, and the orange here. But it doesn't really matter, so yeah, you can just do whatever you want. Just make sure your team is okay with it. And you have to start off by saying, okay, you guys get the blue one and move it here. Then we get another blue one, move it here. Grab these two, move them with this one, stack them through here. And just like talk about what you're going to do and which ISOs you're going to grab. I'm going to show you what my team, or at least what our strategy was. So it might help you guys. So what we started with was grab this, or not grab this, but this robot will push this blue one into here, grab these blue ones, and then push them into here. So you have one blue here, and three blues here. So that's three. And then while that's happening, the second person will have grab these two oranges and move them here. So that's two oranges. And then they would have gone over here, or not gone over there, but gone over here, grab these purples, push this orange in. So now this one has one orange. And then with these three purples, move them down here. So this is three purples now. And then grab this orange, put it up here. So that is two. This is what we currently have. So while that's happening, this side will have grabbed these three purples, move them over here. As they're moving them, they'll probably also maybe pick up or just push at least one of these, preferably this one, over to like here. So this one has three purples. And then they would grab the oranges, or not oranges. They would grab this purple and probably put it over here. And then this purple, while they were putting these three purples here, they would have kicked the orange and the purple one. So yeah, remember that. And then grab this one as well and put them over here. So right now we have three purples. And then this side, let's just call this 1 and 2. So 1 will have to grab these three last blue ones. Okay? And then run over here and get them all here. Also, we'll have to grab this one after, maybe. Grab these three, grab this, put it up there. And then they would also have to grab this one, this team 2 would have to grab the orange ones, the ones that they didn't get, and move them over here, get the third one here, and get the 3 here and 1 here. Yeah, it's really complicated, so I'll try to make a quick animation or something showing you what it's going to look like.